YouTubers? Hi, I am new to YouTube, and my name is Hippie Chick on YouTube. As you all know, I have no videos. If you went to stalk my channel, I have no videos. I don't know what to do. You guys should comment and tell me what to do, to be honest. I am actually going to do a tutorial on my makeup after I post this video. My makeup is pretty simple. It's just everyone wants to know how to do my eyeliner and my eyebrows. So, to be honest, I just do whatever I can to get by. So, I hope that you guys like my videos and everything. Next I'll do an all about me, about my tattoos, about my piercings, about my plugs. Then I'll do a tutorial on how I take care of my face, because yeah, I take care of my face. And sorry if you hear a cow, it's my neighbor's cow. I live out in the country. And then I will also do some vaping videos. I know that everyone thinks vaping's so a substitute for smoking. Well, it's not. It's like I smoke too, but I think that it's fun to do vaping videos because I don't know, you just see these cool tricks that happen, and I think it's awesome, so might as well do them. By the way, you guys should just tell me if you guys have anything to say, so please help me get my channel started. I really want to be a successful person on the YouTube world because, you know, I have nothing to do all day. I just sit at home, so might as well make a YouTube. So yeah, hit me up with some comments, and yeah.